Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio customer Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide Anindya Banerjee. कल US Central Bank delivered a hawkish hike. So hawkish hike का मतलब क्या है? It means that they have raised interest rates by 25 basis points, जो completely expected था. और उसके साथ जो language है, which will give us a clue about what is going to be the Fed's position or Fed's move in the future, that remained hawkish. And Fed kept the possibility on the table that another 25 bips can happen before the year end. Most likely it may not happen in September. If it happens, it may happen in November or December kind of time, provided the data holds up. क्योंकि Fed का main focus area यही है कि the financial condition should not become too loose, और जो जॉब मार्केट इंडिकेटर्स है दैट शुड नॉट रिमेन टू टाइट क्योंकि वेज ग्रोथ रिमेन्स रोबस्ट, कोर इन्फ्लेशन रिमेन्स वेल अबव द 2% मार्क एंड जो ओवरऑल जॉब मार्केट है जो वेज ग्रोथ को सपोर्ट करता है दैट स्टिल रिमेन्स टाइट. यस, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इज स्ट्रगलिंग बट सर्विसेज सेक्टर इज डूइंग फैंटास्टिकली वेल. हाउसिंग मार्केट इज होल्डिंग अप. तो ये सब जो सिचुएशन है वहां पे if ये situation में for the Fed to immediately give up on the idea of further hikes is difficult. And plus जो equity market का rally है that is something which the Fed is watching as well क्योंकि जितना ये rally continue रहेगा उतना ही financial condition will become loose and that will compel the Fed to hike even more. So the question now is ये dollar the currency market के लिए या US dollar index के लिए are there any new information? We don't think so. It basically means the Fed is on the data dependent path और आज ECB का भी meeting है European Central Bank and there too we may see a hike and talk of a data dependent path. तो ये situation में there are not enough triggers to either push the dollar index higher or lower till some major trigger arrives, which means RBI may not let the USDINR break down below 8160 or 70 levels immediately. So 8160 70 नीचे और ऊपर में 8270 8280. This range looks to be intact, looks to remain intact for the time being. और हम लोग short term पे focus करें तो 8170 is definitely and around that is a very strong support zone. Or 8220 is going to be a major resistance zone. In case the rupee starts or USDINR starts to trade above 8220 on the spot and sustain, तो हो सकता है एक short covering rally मिले, एक speculative long pressure के लिए upward move हो सकता है तब. And then we can see levels of 82.5 or even 82.70. So 82.20 के आसपास is a very critical area. उसके ऊपर sustain होता है तो we can see push towards 82.5 or 82.70. So people who are short need to place a stop loss above 82.20 levels. उसके ऊपर sustain हो रहा है. You can exit your shorts and look at going long. तो फिलहाल के लिए the range is 82.20, 81.70, 81.80 spot में. Short straddle, short strangle, can it be done? We have to watch the market and see. But again, you can consider it as long as this 82.20 or 81.70 range is intact. अगर ये range टूट रहा है, then definitely don't be short straddle or strangle. So then you can continue to play the directional trade. Cross currencies में EURINR is going to be range bound क्योंकि आज focus will be on the ECB meeting और वहाँ पे as I said that a hike and possibility of a data dependent path का confirmation may come, which means EURINR may see slight profit taking after the news, but as of now आज going into ECB it may remain in a range. And EURINR is also near a support level around the 90-30 mark. So इसके लिए we don't expect any kind of a big move ahead of the ECB. GBP/INR can see a little more consolidation, but overall GBP/INR can remain in a range of 105 to 106 for the time being. EURINR पे फोकस रहेगा कल, बिकॉज फ्राइडे इज द बैंक ऑफ जापान मीटिंग. तो आज EURINR कैन सी सम स्ट्रॉन्ग अप मूव्स, बट उसके बाद एट द ओपन, उसके बाद इट मे slip into a range. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. For fantastic day ahead.